goodness. Oh gosh. Oh, we're screwed. Hold on, baby. Hold on, baby. What is up, party people? Big Carl back, guys. It's been a while. It's been a while. Oh man, my bike was down. We had some mechanical issues. This puppy needed a brand new ECU, needed some new valves. So we got her all hooked up now. Also slapped on a new sprocket and chain kit. So if you guys are following the Instagram or even the Facebook, you probably would have seen that. I'm out here solo, in case you guys didn't know. There is no other Suzuki in sight. My brother's not with me, so rolling Han solo for the weekend. Got a log coming up this log, baby. Uh-oh, mud. Let's get it. That's right, that's right. I hope you guys have been awesome, because the fact that I have not been riding has not been awesome whatsoever. Whoa. Look at that. That's ruthless. I'm gonna stop here for a second, fix these goggles. That way you guys don't have to hear the flippity flops. Big rock. Oh yeah, baby. It is a sketchy business out here today, fellas. Shouldn't have chosen this line. But we did it anyways, in good old Big Carl fashion. I did not see that guy. Did I leave him in the dust? I don't remember a lot of this stuff, just to be honest with you guys. There's so much to this trail. It's kind of ridiculous. Kind of awesome, especially if you want some big trails. It is good to have some wheelie skills. Oh, prior to going into the woods, because there are times where you gotta wheelie it out. Oh, these little washouts are so, actually they're not even little, they're like 2 feet deep in some spots. Those things suck you right in like a black hole, dude. The infamous drop. It's tamed down since me and my brother ate that. If you guys actually go back into the like early videos, we both almost ate it there. just got me. Ooh, that's a big tree down. Just cruising, you guys. Trails are rough. Woo! Yes, they are, sir. I feel like it's crazy. I'm bouncing all around. Just lugging it through all this. Woo, my arms. My arms are getting beat, boy. Woo. That is so rough over there. Holy crap. Oh, these washouts are just not that fun, but makes for some technical riding. Most definitely got to take a breather for a sec. Woo! Big boy! Big boy! Uh-oh. Hold on. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. That's right. All this rough stuff, you gotta stay in for show. Because if not, dude, this stuff will bite you in the ass. Like literally the next day your gooch and your ass are gonna be sore. Don't subject yourself to that. Stand. For some reason, outside lines are always the best whenever you see mud. That's a low train hanging tree. A little sketch for anybody rolling around there. Woo! That's right, little air time. Working up a sweat today, guys. Holy crap. 4 months without being on the bike. It's like 3 or 4 months, I don't remember. right before May. Oh, it's just been gnarly. Yeah, we're going around this way. Love this dirt. Don't love this roughness. Oh gosh. Oh, we're screwed. Hold on, baby. Hold on, baby. Let it rotate your chin. That's the only thing you can do in that situation. Hold on. Get a good firm grip of the bike. Kind of, bow your knees a little bit. Not a lot. You just want to have a little bit of play in your knees. That way you can absorb those big old ruts. But see, little wheelies like that help you out. You don't know how deep it's gonna be. Little wheelie out there can save you from going over. Oh, my bike is barking now, boys. We got that vortex in her. Uh-oh. Thought the out was blocked. But no, it's just muddy. But we got that vortex ECU in this thing now. She wants to go. Well, thanks guys for riding along with me on some sort of enduro. It was rough. Holy crap, it was rough. Hope you guys enjoy. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already.